How to install Python modules without root access. I'm taking some university classes and have been given an instructional account, which is a school account I can SSH into to do work. I want to run my computationally intensive numpy, matplotlib, scipy code on that machine, but I cannot install these modules because I'm not a system administrator. How can I do the installation?
In most situations, the best solution is to rely on the so-called user site location, see the pep for details, by running. Below is a more manual way from my original answer. You do not need to read it if the above solution works for you. With easy_install you can do, which will install into. The local folder is a typical name many people use, but of course you may specify any folder you have permissions to write into. You will need to manually create and add it to your Python path environment variable, otherwise easy_install will complain. btw run the command above once to find the correct value for xy. If you are not using easy_install, look for a prefix option. Most install scripts let you specify one. With pip you can use
no permissions to access nor install easy_install. Then, you can create a Python virtual env, this URL, and install the package from this virtual environment. Executing 4 commands in the shell will be enough. Insert current release like 16.1.0 for XXX. Source and more info, this URL.
You can run easy_install to install Python packages in your home directory even without root access. There's a standard way to do this using site.user_base, which defaults to something like $home/.local or and is included by default on the Python path. To do this, create a pitastootless.cfg in your home directory. Now you can run easy_install without root privileges. Alternatively, this also lets you run pip without root access. This works for me. Source from Wesley Tanaka's blog, this URL.
If you have to use a distutil setup.py script, there are some command line options for forcing an installation destination. See this URL. If this problem repeats, you can set up a distutils configuration file. See this URL. Setting the Python path variable is described in Tiho's post.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.